In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a video in ElevenLabs step by step, even if you've never used the platform before. This is a great way to turn a simple text prompt into a video, and if you want more control, you can also add reference images, upload videos, or use start and end frames to guide the result. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and find the image and video section. This is where ElevenLabs keeps its visual generation tools. Click on image and video and then switch over to video mode. This is important because it makes sure you're using the correct tool for creating a video instead of an image. Now that you're in video mode, you'll see the main prompt box. Here, you need to enter a text prompt that clearly describes the video you want to create. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of saying something vague like a cool scene, try describing the subject, style, background, motion, lighting, and overall mood. The better your prompt, the better your final video will usually look. If you want even more control, ElevenLabs gives you a few extra options. You can upload reference images or videos to help guide the style and structure of your output. This is especially useful if you want the generated video to match a certain look, camera angle, or visual theme. You can also use start and end frames if you want the video to begin and finish with specific visuals. That's a great option when you're trying to create a smoother transition or a more controlled scene. After that, choose the AI video mode that best fits your project. Depending on what you're making, one mode may be better for realism, motion, or creative effects. If you're not sure which one to use, start with the default option and test a few different styles later. The goal here is to find the mode that matches the kind of video you want to generate. Next, adjust the video settings. These settings can affect the quality, style, and output of your video, so it's worth taking a moment to review them carefully. Set the options based on your needs, whether you want something more polished, more cinematic, or more experimental. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in the final result. Once everything looks good, do one final check of your prompt, your reference files, and your settings. When you're ready, click Generate to create your video. ElevenLabs will begin processing your request, and after a short wait, your video will be ready to preview. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, don't worry. You can go back, refine your prompt, change the settings, or try different reference materials to improve the output. That's one of the biggest advantages of using AI video tools like this. You can keep iterating until you get the look you want. And that's it. You now know how to generate a video in ElevenLabs using a text prompt, optional reference assets, AI video mode, and video settings. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.